Nothing beats the cold like a big bowl of warming and nourishing soup. Hi and welcome, I'm Serva and today we're making my creamy sweet potato and lentil soup. This soup is perfect for these cool winter days when you want something warm, cozy and filling. Just make sure to make a big batch of it to enjoy it throughout the week because this soup is one of the dishes that even tastes better in the next days. So let's get started. I start off by peeling one sweet potato and chop it into 1-inch chunks. Then cut in the ends of 2 carrots and chop them also into 1-inch chunks. I have 3 cloves of garlics. I only cut off their brown top but I leave the skin on. Then I place the veggies on a baking tray. Drizzle over some olive oil, salt and pepper, and I let them roast in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until they are soft. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the rest of the veggies. I finely chop 1 medium onion. I also chop 2 large celery leaves. Then finely chop half of a bunch of coriander and parsley. Now I add 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a pot on medium heat, and when hot I add the chopped onions and saute until soft. This takes about 3 minutes. Then I add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half of a teaspoon of black pepper and half of a teaspoon of paprika powder. And saute for about 1 minute or until fragrant. Next, I add the chopped celeries to the pot. Now it's time to drain the soaked red lentils and add it to the pot along with 2 chicken bouillon cubes, or you can use vegetable bouillon cubes if you're vegetarian. To this I add 5 cups of hot water. Cover and bring to a boil and simmer until celery and lentils become soft. This takes about 15 minutes, which is almost the same time as our veggies are roasted. When the roasted veggies are ready, I remove the skin from the roasted garlic. Now I add the chopped parsley and cilantro to the pot, along with the roasted veggies. Bring to a boil and simmer for a further 5 to 10 minutes, then our soup is ready. Now I'm going to blend the soup until smooth. I usually use an immersion blender for this. You can use any blender you have on hand. At this stage, you can taste the soup and adjust the flavor with extra salt or any other spice of your liking. I always add some lemon juice to balance out the sweetness from the sweet potato. Now it's time to serve this creamy, warm and delicious soup. I like to drizzle with lemon juice and garnish with red pepper flake and fresh mint. You can use cream, yogurt or other fresh herbs such as parsley and coriander. And enjoy it! Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and you try this flavorful soup for yourself. The link to the recipe as always can be found in the description box below. If you have any tips and comments, feel free to share with me in the comment section. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.